Hi, I'm Zara and I'm currently undertaking an 8-week digital marketing virtual internship based in the USA. This internship has been a really good opportunity for me to put my theoretical knowledge into action and gain experience and confidence in an area of my choice. Having the internship online has meant that I've stayed productive during this quarantine global pandemic time. The weekly cultural meetings were a really fun way to learn about US culture, and it was really interesting comparing it to Australian life. I would highly recommend undertaking a CISaustralia virtual internship if you have an area of interest and would like to test the waters while gaining experience. All the staff at CISaustralia and my internship company have been super nice and very easily approachable. Thank you so much, CISaustralia, for this opportunity.